Welcome back to USA Car Lovers, where we bring you the most detailed and entertaining car reviews to help you make the right choice. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Lexus LX700h, the latest evolution of Lexus's flagship luxury SUV. If you're looking for a vehicle that blends power, sophistication, and cutting-edge technology, stay tuned because this one has a lot to offer. Exterior, a bold first impression. At first glance, the 2025 Lexus LX700h is nothing short of breathtaking. The massive spindle grille, a signature Lexus design, is now sleeker, with a three-dimensional effect that screams aggression and class at the same time. Think of it as the luxury SUV version of a Hollywood superstar, bold, stylish, and impossible to ignore. On either side, you'll find slim, angular LED headlights with an integrated daytime running light signature, giving the LX700h a futuristic yet classic Lexus vibe. The sculpted hood features strong character lines that flow seamlessly into the fenders, reinforcing its commanding road presence. And let's not forget the newly designed bumper with large air intakes, because even luxury needs a little sportiness. Lexus has proudly placed its emblem at the center, now featuring blue accents, a subtle yet bold nod to the hybrid powertrain under the hood. And if you're a fan of those little details, the chrome accents and precision cut lines make the front end a visual masterpiece. Muscular and sophisticated from the side, the LX700h keeps its muscular proportions, but with a sleeker, more streamlined approach. Flush door handles extend automatically when the key is detected, making you feel like you just unlocked a spaceship. Meanwhile, integrated cameras in the aerodynamically shaped mirrors give you a full 360-degree view, because who wants blind spots in a luxury SUV? Lexus has introduced new wheel designs, ranging from 20 to 22 inches, with finishes including gloss black and machine-polished aluminum. And for those who like their hybrid SUVs to make a statement, a hybrid badge sits just behind the front wheel arches, subtly reminding onlookers that this beast is as efficient as it is powerful. Rear. Design, sleek and futuristic. Moving to the back, the full-width LED taillight bar seamlessly connects both rear clusters, creating a striking nighttime signature. The traditional Lexus emblem is gone, replaced by a modern Lexus script on the tailgate. A subtle roof spoiler and a dual tone rear bumper reinforce the LX700h's sporty yet elegant character. And no, you won't see any exhaust tips, because this hybrid is all about refined power. The power liftgate now features a hands-free function. Just wave your foot under the bumper, and voila! Your cargo space opens like magic. Perfect for when your hands are full with groceries or, let's be honest, luxury shopping bags. Interior. The definition of luxury. Step inside, and you're greeted by an oasis of technology and comfort. The 14-inch infotainment touchscreen dominates the dashboard, paired with a 7-inch display for climate and off-road controls. The Lexus Interface infotainment system now supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice control, and over-the-air updates, because who has time for cables in 2025? The fully digital instrument cluster is customizable, ensuring you always have the info you need at a glance. And let's talk about the steering wheel, wrapped in premium leather. It houses everything from adaptive cruise control to lane-keeping assist, so you can drive like a pro. The seats? Oh, they're a dream. Wrapped in semi-aniline leather, they're heated, ventilated, and offer massage functions for both front and second-row passengers. If you opt for the executive seating package, the second row transforms into a first-class lounge, complete with reclining seats, individual entertainment screens, and a wireless charging center console. And let's not forget the mark. Levinson 25 speaker, surround sound system, which makes every ride feel like a private concert. Performance, power meets efficiency. Under the hood, the 2025 LX700 introduces a game-changing hybrid powertrain. It pairs a 3.5L twin-turbo V6 with an advanced electric motor system, producing around 450 horsepower and 550 lb-ft of torque. That means you get thrilling acceleration with impressive fuel efficiency, a rare combo in the full-size luxury SUV world. The 10-speed automatic transmission has been fine-tuned for smooth shifts, and the full-time all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction whether you're on the highway or venturing off-road. Speaking of off-road, the adaptive variable suspension and multi-terrain select system let you conquer rock, sand, and mud like a pro. And for city driving, the electric motor provides instant torque, making stop-and-go traffic much smoother. Plus, the hybrid system allows for short bursts of pure electric, driving at low speeds because sometimes you just want to glide silently like a ghost. Pricing and final thoughts. The 2025 Lexus LX700 starts at around $100,000, with fully loaded models reaching $130,000. If you want the executive package with all the bells and whistles, be ready to splurge. But hey, luxury comes at a price. With its bold design, ultra-luxurious interior, powerful hybrid performance, and cutting-edge tech, the LX700H sets a new benchmark for full-size SUVs. Whether you need a capable off-roader, a refined city cruiser, or a luxury family hauler, this Lexus checks all the boxes. What are your thoughts on the all-new Lexus LX700H? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to USA Car Lovers for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.